Good morning, students. Here Ashwini teacher, and I am welcoming you for our virtual class. So, students, as we discuss, our today's topic is the paragraph writing. Today's topic is the paragraph writing. So that students, there are structure of paragraph means how we are supposed to write the paragraph. First, topic sentence, supporting sentence, concluding sentence. Topic sentence means at the beginning how paragraph should be there, supporting, then later on what kind of sentence should be support to your topic, and then the concluding sentence means you're the closing sentence. What kind of by which kind of sentences you are going to be end the paragraph. So these are the structure of a paragraph. Okay, the structure of a paragraph is that what topic sentence, supporting sentence, and third one is the concluding sentence. So what is the topic sentence? A topic sentence is a precise statement that reflects the main idea of the paragraph. It should be carefully written as it will show the reader what you are going to talk about it. So topic sentence is basically the main idea of the sentence. So by the reading only, you come to know you miss the reader come to know that writer wanted to talk about what. Because if you are anywhere, this your topic sentence reflect your topic. Okay, and the supporting sentences explain the topic sentence in detail. They expand the main topic and develops the main idea into explanation. Even they explain the main topic using example, facts, quotes, and they have to be related to the topic sentence. Really, students, see, suppose my major sentence is that the today we are going to picnic. This is your major sentence. That they are in paragraph writing, you are showing, you are just telling to the reader that this paragraph is related that you all are going picnic. And the other supporting sentence says that while going picnic, what preparation you have done. These are the supporting sentences. So the students, topic sentence which reflects the main idea. Topic sentence, what they did, they reflects the main idea, and the supporting sentence, they explain the main topic using the example, facts, and quotes. And the conclusion sentences means a good concluding sentences, they bring a paragraph to a polished end, and even it gives a summary of the main topic. A concluding sentences also give a final on the topic and leaves reader with a complete information. While going, then we are giving a final touch up. So the final touch up, final sentences should be there in conclusion sentence. What is written? That is conclusion sentences. The structure, okay, the structure of a paragraph is what that we have learned, students, that the first one is a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and the concluding sentences. Topic sentences means what? Such a sentences which gives a main idea. Just as example I have given, that suppose you are writing a picnic. Okay, that suppose I given you topic that you're supposed to write a paragraph on the picnic. So what the beginning of your sentence, what the main sentence is, that on the Monday or tomorrow we are going for the picnic. So this is your topic sentence. This is what your topic sentence. And the supporting sentences are the sentences Supporting sentences are the sentences which explain the main idea of the paragraph, which explains the main idea of the paragraph. And just as I explained, concluding sentences means what? We are supposed to give a final touch up to our writing. So how you will give the final touch up to your writing? By writing some sentences. So what kind of sentences? So that sentences which gives the sentences which leaves a impact, sentences which leaves a impact in the minds, in the minds of the students or the reader. Okay, these are the structure of our sentences. Okay, so here the traffic light paragraph. So traffic light means what is the main thing we are supposed to be understand, or we are supposed to be keep it in mind. Okay, so here they said that G, it's green light. Green light shows what? That we have to go. Go means start the topic sentences. What? So that is we have to begin a paragraph with the topic sentences. Then for the green light, what? We only start the vehicle. Okay, we start the vehicle. It means we are giving support to the car. Now you have to run. And red means stop, means closing sentences. So closing sentences means what? We all are supposed to end our paragraph. Okay, now this one, these are the traffic light paragraph writing. Students take a screenshot of this. So this is what? This is a short form or shortcut to learn that what things should be there for our paragraph writing. Okay, students. So here we will have one discussion on with the students on our topic.